Hello friends, welcome to class 4 St. Thomas School, Moa. This is third session of an orchid lesson. First two sessions we have seen that what is an orchid, what things you can see. Now in the orchid, have you seen any other form of flowers than these? Some flowers used in a different forms like rose, marigold used in garlands and rose petals too. Then find out the prices. That task I have already given. Then last session I discussed that the florist or Mali is learning ancestral work. The parents, grandparents teach them. Would they like the other members of their family to do this work? Because it is a job oriented purpose, family business. Now, this activity you do it in a group and make one scrapbook. That means you put one flower and paste between the pages. After pasting, you can have the activity of try getting flowers and very carefully you can prepare the scrapbook. Ratan was walking in orchard and she saw that some persons were cleaning grass in one corner of the field and she went there and started pulling the grass. This is weeding, extra unwanted grass. The root also came out. Some trees and plants also near to you that we have to look at that and we can observe the roots. The Ratan saw that Ramji Bai was pulling reddish and Ramji Bai told that this is reddish roots and we are eating. Some roots we are eating as a food, some flowers as a medicinal, some seeds as a medicine. Likewise, in botanical science, in studying of science of a botany of flowers, more than 4,500 varieties are there that we have to keep it in mind. Which plants we are regularly watering, which is there in the garden, you can note it down. Which plants require water and how do they get water, that also we can come to know. That slowly we have to learn it. Then pictures, vegetables given, that name you have to put. And afterwards, some plants are growing into the school building. How the roots of these plants would go and how will roots get water from it, that we have to find out. We have to tell the name of the picture, something of this. And huge banyan tree was fall down, or a neem tree is fall down near your school. Then you can see that damaged roots of the tree is fall down by the heavy winds or a cyclonic effect. Whenever we see near our school, we have to find out this. The trees will get water from between rocks and edges of the field down to the soil. The roots are sucking water from it, and the slowly trees are growing. Our area's olden tree, we have to note it down, and how many animals are living on the tree also we have to note it down. Fallen tree you have seen, then you have to note down. Many a times we are looking our, especially our Gandhi Bagh side area, you can see that some neem tree, some banyan tree uprooted. Strange, freaky and bad root session we will continue next time. Till then, I remain. Thank you.